He, Allah, is the one who sends the winds ushering in His mercy when they carry heavy clouds. He makes the night enter into the day, and He made the night as a covering through its darkness. It is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. All the celestial bodies swim along, each in its rounded course. It is He who made the sun a shining light, and the moon a derived light, and determined for its phases. And He makes the day enter into the night. It is not permitted to the sun to catch up the moon, nor can the night outstrip the day. And He made the day for livelihood. So, which of the favors of your Lord would you deny?